Your next car, Wasim here, bringing you a quick walk around video of this stunning 420 diesel coupe we're having. Presented in mineral grey, fitted with the Your Next Car body styling package. Full gloss kit as you can see here. Mineral grey metallic, lovely colour, complements the black really well. Xenon headlights, front and rear parking sensors, M Sport Plus pack, so you can see the bigger blue brakes just there. 19-inch LA bi-colour wheels, orbit there in the middle, diamond cut on the front. Wheel condition is very good. Privacy glass, folding rear seats. This one's debadged. Let's take a look inside. Harman Kardon sound, electric folding mirrors. It's a 7-speed automatic. Interior condition is very, very good as well. Let me show you a close-up of the seat. Well looked after car. Aged really well, 4 years old, currently done 53,000 miles. As you see there, next service isn't due for 12,000 miles. Here's the service history for you. Sorry I'm whizzing through this, it's a warm day, probably the 10th video I've done. Heated seats, we've got a lot of new stock coming in. Keep an eye on our website, our Auto Trader page and Instagram. Playback wise, we've got Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio, USB, auxiliary, widescreen sat nav, multifunction steering wheel and cruise control. MOT's just been done, so full 12 months, and we've got the handbooks in there for you as well. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please like it, share it, show it to your family members. If you're interested in finance, we have an integrated calculator on our website, which you can use, or give one of us a call. Thanks for watching again. Cheers.